What's up, Green Mountain Grill owners? Eric here with Pimp My Grill, and we finally got our hands on the new GMG Ledge 2.0. And I gotta say, they are awesome. And what else is awesome is we already have a Pimp My Grill Gen 2 rack system readily available. Installation takes about a minute and without any modifications required to your grill. We know you don't want to drill any holes in your grill, and that's why we've designed our brackets to be 100% non-invasive. Simply adjust the set bolts and snap the brackets into place. The racks set into tracks at the rear of the brackets, and they have stops so you can't slide them out too far and dump your food. But when you do want to remove your racks for cooking tall items or accessing the fire pot, simply slide them all the way in and lift straight out. Our heavy-duty expanded steel grates are actually embedded inside the frame. This is going to eliminate any sharp edges, and it makes our racks reversible as well. So as you can imagine, the Pimp My Grill Gen 2 rack system can double and even triple your cooking capacity. But more importantly, it elevates your food up into the smoke where the convection takes place. This is going to enhance your flavor profiles and give you a more even and consistent cook. Let our smooth slide technology bring the food to you. This allows for easy access to those hard to reach items, all while keeping the smoke out of your eyes. So let's say you already own a Green Mountain Grill with one of our rack systems and you're considering upgrading to one of the new 2.0s. Well, don't worry, we've designed an adapter so your original rack system will work in the new 2.0. Thank you for checking out the Pimp My Grill Gen 2 slide-out rack systems for the new Green Mountain Grill Ledge 2.0. If you're interested in this product and many more, visit pimpmygrill.com or visit your local pellet grill dealer. If there's something you'd like to see us release for this machine, leave it in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Please like and subscribe to this video, and we'll see you next time.